Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluse Ahmed, and in this video section, I'll be walking you through how you can earn in dollars selling Facebook ad services to foreign clients. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, can you do something? Can you hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the bell icon so you get notified once I drop new videos. Now, I'm going to be walking you through how to earn in dollars selling Facebook ad services to foreign clients. Now, if you are a digital marketer and you know how to run Facebook ads, or you are just learning how to run Facebook ads, this is a chance for you to start earning in dollars. And I will guide you through a simple method that I use to acquire clients. I'm going to be giving you the tools, the resources you need to use. I'm going to be walking you through everything that you need to do. So I want you guys to stay with me till the end of this video so that you won't miss any bit of what I'll be dropping for you. All right, without further ado, let's get started. Now, what's our agenda for today? Now, so our agenda is we are going to be looking at the tools and resources to use, and we are going to be looking at the client acquisition strategy. All right, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get clients and the strategy you need to use to acquire clients. I can assure you that Facebook ads is one of the most highly sought skills that you can learn and start profiting as from today. So if you learn how to run Facebook ads very, very well, all right, I can assure you you get clients. All right, so I have clients that pays me on a weekly basis running Facebook ads for them, and I do a lot of work for them. All right, I have many clients that pays me weekly, and I have some that pays me in dollars also. So I want to give you this strategy so that you can as well start using this strategy that I'm using to acquire clients for yourself, and not even Facebook ads. It can be web designing, it can be graphic design, it can be any other skills that you are using. But for this purpose of this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how you can use Facebook ads. All right. Now we are going to be using some tools and resources, and one of the most powerful tools I'm going to be recommending is Synergy Turbo Mailer. All right. This is the tool that is going to do almost all the work for us. All right. As you can see that this tool has some important features about it. So we have the scraper. So we are going to be using scraping. So this way we are going to be getting our client. We are going to scrape emails, all right, and we are going to validate them, and we are going to send them code mailing. Now before that, so this is the software that you're going to be using, all right. So there will be a link in the description below to get access to this software. So now the first thing first you need to do here when you get access to the software, just go to lead management. All right. So we can go to lead management, and in this aspect of the list, you can add your list. So let me say you want to add list, just click on add list. Then in this add list, just type maybe Facebook clients. All right. So okay, so the list has already been added. Now you go to your email blaster, then here SMTP settings. So you need to add SMTP details to send emails. So you can add your Gmail SMTP. All right. So I'll drop a link in the link video the description below. So to learn how you can create your own app password, because if you are using, you can use Gmail SMTP. All right. You can use Gmail SMTP to power this your software. All right, you can use Gmail SMTP and you can add as many emails as possible, and this software has the ability to rotate SMTP servers. So you can see if you click on this, it's going to rotate your SMTP server for you. So let's assume you have 10 Gmail accounts, so you can put everything here. It's going to be rotating them so that to avoid blocking and to avoid overwhelming of the SMTP. All right, so this is one of the aspects of the software that you're going to be using. The another aspect of the software you're going to be using is scraping. So we are going to be scraping emails. Now, for you to scrape, all right, so you need to get your free API, the free scraping API key. So once you come here, just click on this aspect here and click on get your free scraping API to take you to the site. All right, it's going to take you to the site. So once you come to the site, all you need to do is just click on the dashboard here. All right, so you don't need to pay for it. So, and as well, this software has ability to rotate your API key. So you can add as many API key as possible from this site, and you can use it to scrape unlimited emails. You can scrape up to 50,000 emails with this. So with this one, so you can use any email here. You can use temp emails, all right? You can use temporary emails to register here, and you can also sign with your Google account, all right? So for this purpose of this tutorial, if you don't want to use your Google account, so I'm going to be walking you through how you can even use temp emails to sign in. So you can go to this website called emailnator.com, all right? So go to this site, emailnator.com. Once you go to this site, emailnator.com, so you need to disable this Google Mail, and only leave this .gmail. All right, only leave this .gmail account here. So you click on generate new. So it's going to give you a Gmail account. So once you have been given this, you click on go. All right. So and this is it. You copy this email account. Then um you come back to your script.do. So you put the email here. So you click on sign up now. You click on sign up now. Once you click on sign up now, you enter the email here. Once you enter the email, then you enter your password. So make sure you remember the password that you are using. All right. Remember the password, then click on start free trial. It's going to send a verification. So it said please show for validated captcha. So let me just fill the email here. All right, so let me just enter the password again. So click on start free trial. So it's saying I should verify, so don't worry. So just click on the it's still loading up to verify you are human. So let me put the email again. Then let me the password. So click on start free trial. It's saying please, okay, now let me complete the captcha. So let me enter the email again, then the password. So click on start free trial. So it's going to send a code. You can see your account has been created. So please check your mail for verification code. Then you just have to come to this minute. You can see now if you see something like this that your Gmail account has been disappeared here, don't worry. Just click on this back button here. It will show up. All right. And once you see, just click on reload, and you are going to get a verification code. You can see this verify your accounts. So you can see verify your email, and boom, you're going to get your API key on the go. All right. So it's still loading up. So now you can see they give you 1,000 credits. Now, so you can create as many accounts as possible using this method, and you get 1,000 free tokens. All right. You copy this token, this is your API token, you copy this token here, then you move over to this site here, this place here, then you need to come to API keys here, then add the API key. All right, add the API key and click on add API key. This one has been added. All right, so you can generate as many API keys. You can generate unlimited API keys here. Let's say you generate 50 API keys. It means you are going to be using 50,000 credits. All right, so the next thing for you to do is come to scraper here. Then you can even use a keyword tool. So you can use a keyword tool. You can generate your keywords here. So that's a keyword generator. You can put your keyword there. All right. Maybe companies or e-commerce. Let me just say e-commerce. So it has generated it. So once that generated this, so you just need to send to scraper. All right. So it has sent to scraper. All right. So once sent to scraper, you can remove this double quotation mark here. All right. So we have online shop, e-commerce, store, digital marketing, digital marketplace. It has, you can see. Then you enter your country. So if I want to enter maybe USA, all right, I will just say USA. USA, that is the country, or if you want to enter the city, New York, you can enter New York. So everything is at USA. Then now, if you need any email domain, so we can add or delete any email domain. If I don't want this to be here, I'll just click on delete. If I don't want this, delete. All right. If I don't want this, I can delete them. So I can add the ones I want. All right. So now if you do not pick anything, all right, then it will go and pick the company's domain emails, all right? So now if you want to scrape from LinkedIn, for Facebook, you can just choose this. Let me say I'm choosing from LinkedIn. So you can choose this. So if you don't want Nigeria loaded there, just delete it. So let me just choose from facebook.com. So it will scrape for me from Facebook or sorry, let me delete this. I want from LinkedIn. So for LinkedIn, you can just add linkedin.com. All right. So you can just add linkedin.com here. You click on add, then you pick this. So if you want to scrape, then you click on what? Start scraping. All right, start scraping. All right, so it's going to start. Don't worry about this. So it's going to start the scraping proper. All right. So you give it some time so that it's going to go to the internet and search for all these keywords. And so you might not get the scraping emails immediately, but once it has scraped enough emails, you are going to get the scraped emails here. All right. And you are going to get real-time results, all right, from the internet. So it is scraping. So just give it time until it says scraping stopped, or you want to stop it by yourself, you can just click on stop. But just leave it for a little while so that it can finish all the processes. All right. So once it's done, I'm going to come back to this video. So we have 27 emails now. We have 27 emails now. So now, because we are not using any email domain, so maybe you are going to be getting quality emails, but you are not going to be getting a lot of emails, all right? So, but we can do something. You can also change the keywords, or you can also add more email domains here, all right? If you want email domains. So now we have 27 emails here. We have this. You can see that USA. They are USA, and these are LinkedIn's. All right, these are from LinkedIn. You can see that this is still scraping. So now we can stop this. All right, I just want to show you. You can stop this. All right, so it has stopped. So once it's stopped, so you can send this to validator. All right, just send it to validator. It has been sent to the validator. You don't need to do any manual work. So once we send it to the validator, so you can see that we have it in validator. So once it's done, just click on start validation. So to start validating those emails for you, automatically. So to start validating those emails for you automatically. So let's just wait till then. Then also now let's do something. Let's connect our SMTP. All right, our SMTP. So I'm going to be using my Gmail SMTP for here. I'm going to be using Gmail SMTP. Now, the security type for Gmail is CLS. So my SMTP host is smtp.gmail.com. All right, then it is 587. My username, I'm going to add my email. All right, I'm going to add my email. So then the password. So I'm going to paste the password here. Then the from email, I'm going to add it. All right. Then I'm going to add the sender name, maybe Alert Synergy or Alert Consults. Or Alert Consults. All right. So now, one thing about this email software is that it also, so let's test the connection first. Test the connection if it's working. So it's connected successfully, then you add FTP, so it has been added here. So one thing about this is that once you go to your email sender or sending options, in the sending options, you can also spoof from email. So if you want the email to come from any name or any email, so you can just put it there. But it has some, authentication if the particular SMTP you are using does not support it. All right. So now, let's go to our validator. So it has been validated. We have 4 invalid emails. Then you are going to send this validated. You can add it to lists. All right. So let's add it to lists. So now, if you want to add this to list, so you need to go to your, because the list we created was Facebook clients. So Facebook, I didn't put, let me edit this list. So Facebook clients. So Facebook clients. So I've edited it. So you go to your validator, then you click on add to list. So you pick add only the valid emails. You pick your list, then you click on OK. So it has been added to the list. So once you go to your lead management here, and you pick your Facebook client, you can see that the list has been added automatically for you. All right, it has been added automatically for you. So you don't need to do any manual work. So we have email blaster here. I've added the SMTP details. All right, so then if you want to now send your message, come to the message composer here. Then the subject. Now you can go to ChatGPT. All right, you can go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. All right, so I'm going to provide the prompt also. All right, so I will choose. So I think I love this email too. So I'll click on this, stop wasting ad spend. Here is the fix. I'll pick it. So I'm going to go back to these subjects. I'll paste it here. Then you can also tag the person. So here is the fix. So if you want to enter the tag, you can click on tag. Sorry. Let me click on sending options. So let's see tag. Okay, it has not been added. Okay, sending options. So I've not loaded the list. So you need to load your list. All right, you need to load your list before you apply the tagging. So to load your list, you don't need to, once you select the list here, all right, the list that you select here is the one that will be loaded automatically here. So you just click on load from list. You can see the list automatically appears here. All right, so you can now apply tagging if you want. So you click on insert tagging. You can see you can tag the person's email. All right, so now the content also. So you come to ChatGPT here. So let me paste this contents. All right, Control C. All right, so I'm going to paste the content here. All right, so I'm going to paste that content here. Then first name. So you can just so you click on insert tag, insert the email. All right, so that is lovely. So you can adjust this based on what you want. All right, you can adjust this. Right, based on what you want. All right, so once this is done, so ready to see what is possible, please kindly, I just say kindly reply to this email. All right, to this email. Now let me show you one cool thing feature about this app also. So one cool feature about this app is that once you go to your license information here. So you see this reply to email. You can set a reply to email. So if you want, for example, if you have different SMTP here, maybe you have up to 10, and you can be getting reply in each of the emails that you have used to send. So you want a global reply where if this SMTP should be used to send emails, and if another one should be used, so you want all the replies to go into just one email, all right? To go to just one email. What we are going to do is just you click on this license information, then you put your email. So let me say the email I want to receive the license before on is this. All right, is this. So I'll click on save. All right, so it has been saved. Once you go to your email blaster, let me even add one of my emails. Let me add one of my emails here. So let me add one of my emails. So one cool thing about this app is that it accepts HTML formats. All right, you can use HTML format here. So you can paste, if you have this HTML format, you can just say, you can tell ChatGPT, let me copy this, and you go to ChatGPT and just say, all right, rewrite, just say rewrite this in HTML format and inline CSS. All right. So I'll just paste it there. All right. So it's going to give me the HTML formats. So you can see this. All right. So I'm going to copy this, then go back to your email. So you can cancel this, then paste this there. You can see the way it will be. A or last minute solutions, you can see the way it will be. Huh? All right. Can you apply to this email? So this is how we are going to receive it. So you can see that you can accept HTML format. So once this is done and you have uploaded your list, what you need to do is just click on, go to sending options here. All right. So don't let me have this. Okay, hey, okay. Sending options, and you click on what? Start sending. All right. So it start sending the emails automatically for you. So you can see it start sending. So you can see the logs here, right? You can see the logs here. To start sending the emails for you automatically. So I'm going to check my let me put it there. So I'm going to check my inbox. I'm going to see if I received this. All right, so I received this in my emails. You can see or last name solutions, running Facebook ads. I'm not seeing how you can see. If I say reply to, you can see that this is the email that we set as a reply to. All right, a reply to email. So this how all the clients is going to get the emails. All right, going to get the emails in their inboxes. All right, you can see that it has finished sending. Okay, still sending. All right, you can see still sending. This is 3% is still sending. So you are going to get this email. So now if you want to get another email, so you can head over to the scraping section. Maybe let's clear this console. Let's clear these results here. All right. And maybe I want affiliate marketing. All right. I want affiliate marketing. Just clear the console. Maybe I want affiliate marketing. So I'll just type maybe affiliate marketing. All right. Affiliate marketing. All right. Affiliate marketing. Then maybe I need Nigeria. So Nigeria, then you can add your email. Maybe I need gmail.com. So you can add it. So I need maybe yahoo.com. Yahoo.com. So you can also add them. So you can choose both and you can disable this if you don't want to scrape. So just want it to scrape from Google and it will scrape affiliate marketing. So once this is done, all right, so you can just click on what? Start scraping, all right? Start scraping, then it will start scraping for you, all right? Don't worry. So in the next few minutes, we start scraping. Let's see if this has been finished. Okay, you can see it has been completed. You know, once you go to you can see email sending completed. So you can see that everything has been sent. So this how you are going to be using this software to send cold emails to the clients. All right. So once you scrape, validate the result, then you send the emails out. All right. So I want to assure you that once you follow this method, at least you should be sending about 3,000 emails on a daily basis. 3,000 emails on a daily basis. So you can get email lists from anywhere. So you can buy and you can validate here, and you make sure you save it into the list here so that you don't have to be uploading the files every now and then. So once you scrape, all right, you validate that you can start sending the emails out, all right. Ask ChatGPT to generate the code emails for you, and you can start scraping unlimited emails or start validating. I can assure you, this is a guarantee that if you send 3,000 emails every day, I can assure you 5 is going to reply, or even 10 is going to reply. All right. Once you get 10 to reply and you close 4 deals, that is a plus for you. That is how cold email marketing works. All right. So this is what I want to show you, and I can assure you that it can work for any skills, all right, whatsoever. It can work for any skills whatsoever, be it you are a graphic designer, be it you are a content creator, be it you are an author, be it you are a video editor, or any other skills that you have. So once you follow this method and you have this software, you are going to be getting clients as steady as possible, right? So and if you want this, you can see that this is still scraping here. So it's still scraping, still finding the email. So once it's done, you just populate the script emails here. So I want this to be, you can see now that now 66 results now. You can see those emails has been populated here. You can see this, the Ninja lawyer, you can see this, see, you can see this. So you can see that it's still validated, it's still scraping the emails here. These are affiliate marketing people, all right? These are affiliate marketing people. So this is going to be scaled. If you leave it, and if you have like, let's say you have like 10 APIs there, it's going to scale about almost 8,000, 10,000 emails for you if you just leave it for a while and let it run, all right? So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like this video and kindly share. And you can drop a comment in the comment box if you want me to do a video or anything, or if you want additional information on what I've been saying, or if you want any tutorial based on what I'm teaching, I'll be glad to give you out. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon, and so you get notified once I drop a video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you, and I'll be waiting for you in my other video. Thank you guys. Peace out.